Hi, my name's Karen Jameson, and I run the Trailhead Content Engineering team at Salesforce. I'm also a co-founder of Rad Women, a group that teaches women how to code on the Salesforce platform. In this badge, we introduce some important concepts around object-oriented programming. But why is this important? Because Apex is an object-oriented programming language. We used flowers in a previous example to help you understand how these concepts might apply to real-world objects. But let's face it, you're probably not going to be creating flowers in your Salesforce org. You're going to be working with Salesforce objects you're already familiar with: accounts, contacts, opportunities, that kind of thing. Previously, we described variables as temporary storage containers for values. And like containers, they come in all shapes and sizes. Some store simple values, like dates and integers, while others store complex ones. We use a special kind of variable, an S-object, to store a very complex type of data, an entire Salesforce record. Because records are integral to Salesforce, S-objects hold a special place in Apex code. Along with other Apex building blocks, like lists and loops, they allow you to do some very powerful things, like the ability to programmatically create, update, and delete mass amounts of records. Let's look at an example. Imagine you're an admin for a kitchen remodeling construction firm. You want a simple way to schedule construction jobs based on 3 different types of kitchens. Each type of kitchen requires different tasks to be scheduled, and each task requires a specific duration, depending on the type of kitchen involved. It's a lot of work to manually enter all of these tasks and dates, and you'd like to have your Salesforce org do the work for you based on 2 variables, the job start date and the type of kitchen. You can use Apex to take these 2 variables and create records stored as S-objects for potentially hundreds of tasks. You'll store these task S-objects in a list and then programmatically upload them to your database. Better yet, when the start date or kitchen type changes, your code will update all the tasks. The business automation options are virtually endless. In this unit, we'll show you how to create S-objects, store them in a list, and then insert them as new records in your Salesforce org. So let's get started.